In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Buy It Now button color on Shopify. To get started, sign in to your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard. From here, you are going to open the area where your storefront theme is managed. On the left side navigation, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where Shopify shows the theme that is currently published on your store, along with any other themes you have saved. Next, find the Customize option for your active theme and open it. This will launch the theme editor in a new view. The theme editor is where you can adjust design settings like colors, typography, and layout, and it also lets you preview changes before they go live. Give the editor a moment to load fully so you can see the left sidebar clearly. Once you are in the theme editor, look to the left sidebar and click the gear icon. This gear icon is the theme settings area. Theme settings controls global styling, which means changes here can affect multiple pages and sections across your store, including product pages where the Buy It Now button appears. After you click the gear icon, select Colors. This opens the color controls for your theme. Different themes label color groups in slightly different ways, so take a second to scan the categories you see. You are specifically looking for the section that controls buttons. Now look for a section titled Buttons or in some themes, Secondary Colors. This is commonly where the button background and button text colors are defined. When you find it, you can adjust the relevant color to match the style you want for your Buy It Now button. As you change the color, watch the preview on the right side of the screen so you can confirm the button stands out clearly against the page background and the text remains easy to read. Take your time to choose a color that fits your brand and maintains good contrast for accessibility. When you are satisfied with how it looks in the preview, make sure to save your changes in the theme editor so the update is applied to your store. And that covers everything you need to know.